Savvy HRMS. Introducing Savvy Facial Recognition Attendance System. Track employee time at the office or on field by face recognition. Using face registration icon, user can register himself through selfie with approval process. Then click on the face attendance icon. Savvy app will show current date, current time and live location. Now you have to click on Mark Attendance option where our AI-based face recognition option asks you to blink your eye to capture your live face to mark attendance. Only registered user will be able to mark attendance successfully. Savvy has inbuilt AI to avoid proxy attendance. Whenever a different user tries to log in by showing his face, system will deny the proxy attendance. Have a look on Savvy HRMS mobile attendance key features. Inbuilt artificial intelligence, employee self-face registration, provision of face approval, attendance capture after face verification, inbuilt geofencing and tagging, real person detection, high accuracy and speed, auto FCM, SMS, email trigger facilities. Analytical dashboards. Savvy also facilitates centralized attendance capturing and monitoring. Mobile face recognition, mobile punch in-out, biometric device, face reader device, web check in-out, punch Excel upload, manual punch request. India's fastest growing software for modern HR. 5 lakh plus satisfied users. 500 plus satisfied client. 99.99% implementation success ratio. Thank you for watching.